Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, as you see, I've moved the Lionel transformer and I've mounted the 12 volt power supply directly to the bench, and this is its lock-on. Now, I had a bit of a scare last night. I was applying power to the rail from another power source, and I had forgotten to remove that lock-on. So it was sending power into the power supply. Anyway, went to use it and it would not work. Turned it on, nothing. It was dead as a proverbial hammer. So I was actually going to return it, and after it sat for, I don't know, I guess most of the night, I didn't check it anymore. I figured it was dead. Plugged it in this morning, it's working absolutely perfectly, as you see. 8.24 volts. .52 volts. As you see, running splendidly. So anyway, it's good to know, putting it through its paces to see if it's going to actually physically last. I actually think it's going to. I don't think there's much I can do to hurt this. Of course, unless you do something stupid with it. A dead short perhaps or something, but it is thermally protected, overload protected, and short circuit protected, so it should take care of itself. In any case, it survived the problem of sending voltage into it. I figured I had killed it, but like I said, turned it on, it wouldn't do anything. It was dead. So this morning, plugged it in, it worked absolutely splendidly. So I figured I'd go ahead and mount it on the bench, and it'll be running this rail for the next few weeks. I'll be using it daily, and I've got the lock-on long enough that it can actually power all 4 rails just by moving the lock-on. So I'm going to be doing a lot of testing with this thing, but as you see, it's up and running. It doesn't take up much room, that's for sure, and since it has mounting flanges, it's really easy to mount it. I just got a couple of drywall screws holding it for now. Really simple, only took a minute to do this. So anyway, as you see, it's up and running, so continuing my experiments. Now I've got a couple of new locomotives coming. One should be here hopefully tomorrow, we'll see. I got a Marx 6 volt 400 or 490, I believe. I'm really curious to see how it's going to run on one of these power supplies. You know, the Marx 6 volt stuff came with its own controller that used a 6 volt lantern battery. So in any case, it's going to be interesting to see how a 6 volt locomotive will run with one of these variable power supplies. The only way to find out was to test it, so I went ahead and ordered one, found one on eBay for 10 bucks. So I believe it's a 490. Anyway, hopefully it'll be here tomorrow. Then I've got a new Commodore Vanderbilt coming hopefully Thursday, possibly Friday. Picked it up on eBay for $12.50. In fair condition. Says it does not run, which is one of the main reasons I bought it. Anyway, so I got 2 new locomotives coming. Continuing my experiments with the power supplies. And of course the new portable power supply. So I'll be doing lots of testing. Keeping myself busy, basically. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video on the power supply mounted on the bench. Actually, if there was a row of these, it wouldn't look bad at all. So, in any case, a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.